Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to get your feet wet with futures trading but felt a bit overwhelmed by all the moving parts, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to trade futures using TradingView's intuitive interface step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a trade on a popular futures contract, even if you're a complete beginner. The best part, we'll use TradingView's built-in paper trading feature so you can practice and get comfortable risk-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to pick the right market to trade. So up at the top of your TradingView screen, you'll see a symbol search bar. This is where you tell TradingView what you want to look at. Type in MES, that stands for the Micro E-mini S&P 500 futures contract, a favorite among traders because it's affordable to trade and widely followed. Now when you type MES, you're going to see a drop-down list of several options. It's really important here not to just pick the first one you see. Futures contracts are tied to specific expiration dates. Look through the list and choose the MES contract with the current or upcoming expiry. For example, it might say MES 2024M or something similar. Click on that to load the chart for that contract. Once the chart is up, the next step is to connect your account to TradingView's trading panel. This panel is usually docked at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see it, look for a tab that says Trading Panel and click to expand it. For this demonstration, we're going to use paper trading. Think of it as a trading simulator. It's absolutely perfect for learning because you can make trades with virtual money, no risk, no stress. Find the paper trading option, click Connect, and give it a few seconds to sync up. Don't worry if it takes a moment, that's normal. Now that we're connected, let's get to the fun part, placing a trade. You'll notice a trade button, often at the top right or right above your chart. Click that and you'll see a new option pop up called DOM, which stands for Depth of Market. Clicking DOM will bring up a panel where you can see live buy and sell orders for the contract you selected, kind of like peeking into the order book at an auction. It might look a little intimidating at first, but don't let it throw you off. To place a buy order, simply scroll through and select the price you want to buy at. For example, maybe you see the MES contract trading at 5,500. You can click right next to that number in the buy column. If you're not sure exactly where to set your price, that's okay. You can experiment here since it's just paper money. After you select your price, you'll see an option to buy. Click it, review your order, and then hit Send Order. The system will confirm your trade almost instantly. If you want to try selling instead, just repeat the process on the sell side. It's really that straightforward. Keep in mind, throughout this process, you're learning the exact muscle memory you need for live trading someday, but without any real money at stake. Paper trading is a fantastic way to build confidence and iron out mistakes, so take this opportunity to play around, click different prices, and get a feel for how orders work. And that's it. You've just placed a futures trade on TradingView using paper trading. If you got stuck anywhere or have lingering questions, leave a comment below. I read everyone and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more straightforward trading guides. See you in the next tutorial.